Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm going to make a fudgy brownie pie. And it's super easy to make. Doesn't take all that long to bake. And so you can whip it up in no time flat. So I've got a half a cup of mostly melted butter here. It's melted enough anyway to mix the sugar with. I'm going to put a cup of sugar in there. Going to add 2 eggs. Going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in there. Put a third of a cup of cocoa. I'm going to put a half a cup of flour in there and just a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder. Sorry, baking soda. And I'm going to switch to a spatula now because this gets pretty thick. Now this would be really good with pecans in it. That would be my choice, but my husband doesn't like pecans, so I'm not going to put any nuts in it this time, but you can definitely put some in there if you'd like, or walnuts. I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips in there. And that is it. I've got a 9-inch pie pan here that I sprayed liberally with cooking spray. I'm just gonna put a little bit extra chocolate chips on the top. And that's it. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. You don't want to overbake it because you want it to still be a little, gooey. You don't want it to be all dried up. So I'm going to watch it starting at 25 minutes and maybe it'll be done. If not, 30 minutes at the longest. Okay, so our fudgy brownie pie is out of the oven. I let it sit for 15 minutes so I could slice it. And I've already had a piece of it. This is for my husband. It's super good. To be honest, it's really not much to look at. It's not a real fancy looking thing, but it's delicious. And I made some hot fudge to drizzle over the top of it. And this is a super simple hot fudge recipe. You just take 2 parts chocolate syrup to 1 part peanut butter, microwave it for about 30 seconds, and you get a super good hot fudge that is so easy. And I have a recipe for this on my YouTube channel. It's Rhonda's Thrifty Kitchen, and it's called 2-ingredient hot fudge. And it's super simple, super good. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put the recipe in the description for both the fudgy brownie pie and the hot fudge. And thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.